If you look at the animal kingdom thousands of years ago, humans were basically a joke. Think about it. We have no sharp claws, our teeth are completely flat, we don't have thick fur to protect us from the cold, and we are embarrassingly slow. If a human gets into a fistfight with almost any wild animal our size, we are going to lose. Badly. Yet somehow this squishy, hairless, slow-moving ape managed to conquer the entire planet, drive massive predators to extinction, and build cities. So how did we do it? What was our secret weapon? Did we suddenly get super strong? No. Did we evolve poison? Nope. The truth is humans became the apex predators of Earth because of two seemingly dumb biological skills that no other animal has. Chapter 1: The Ultimate Throwing Machine. The first skill is something you do for fun in your backyard, throwing stuff. Now you might think monkeys throw things too, but they actually suck at it. A chimpanzee is easily twice as strong as a human. They can rip off your arms. But if a chimp tries to throw a rock, it's clumsy and slow. Humans, on the other hand, traded raw muscle strength for something called fine motor skills and a wildly flexible shoulder joint. Our shoulders act like a biological slingshot. We can store energy in our tendons and release it in a fraction of a second. We are the only creature on Earth that can throw a projectile with deadly speed and perfect accuracy. This changed the game forever. For the first time in history, a creature could kill a massive predator from 30 feet away without ever getting close to its teeth or claws. We basically invented ranged combat. We brought guns to a knife fight. Chapter 2: The Terminator Effect. But throwing rocks wasn't enough to feed a whole tribe. We needed to hunt big game, but remember, we are slow. A cheetah can run 70 miles per hour. A deer can run 40 miles per hour, maybe 15 miles per hour if we're terrified. But animal speed comes with a massive flaw: fur. Animals like cheetahs, lions, and deer wear permanent winter coats. When they run fast, their bodies heat up like crazy. After a few minutes of sprinting, they have to stop and pant to cool down, or they will literally cook their own brains. Humans lost our fur and we developed millions of sweat glands. When we run, water covers our skin and evaporates, acting like a built-in air conditioning system. Because we can sweat, we don't have to stop. Ever. This led to the most terrifying hunting strategy in history: endurance hunting. We didn't outrun our prey, we simply walked them to death. An antelope would sprint away, exhausted, and hide to catch its breath. But 5 minutes later, the slow, hairless ape would appear over the hill. The animal would look terrified and run away again. We would keep following. To wild animals, humans were literally the Terminator. It didn't matter how fast they ran. We never stopped. We never overheated. We just kept coming for hours, sometimes days, until the animal simply collapsed from heat exhaustion. Then dinner was served. Chapter 3: The Calorie Cheat Code. So we could throw things and we could sweat. But to become the rulers of the earth, we needed one more thing: a massive brain. Brains are incredibly expensive to run. They consume 20% of all our energy. If a gorilla wanted a brain as big as ours, it would have to sit and chew raw leaves and raw meat for 12 hours a day just to get enough calories. But humans discovered fire. By cooking our food, we essentially pre-digested it outside of our bodies. Cooked food unlocks double the calories and takes zero energy to chew. We broke the game's calorie rules. Because we spent less time chewing and digesting, all that extra energy went straight to our heads. Our brains grew massive. We learned language, we built complex tools, and we started working together. Conclusion: the apex predator. So the next time you feel weak or you trip over your own feet, remember your ancestors. You are the descendant of the most relentless endurance predator this planet has ever seen. We didn't win by being the strongest, the biggest, or the fastest. We won because we learned how to sweat, we learned how to cook, and most importantly, we learned how to eat rocks really, really well.